Also, just the door, and then we walk in the closet, and then where my little vanity area is, all that, all to right there, where that little brown thing stops. That's where my area is, and then just movies, the game, the TV. See, we have an AC. My husband's side, and then I'm sitting down right now, so the bed is not made. You see, as you can tell, it's not made. Clothes in the basket. I gotta find somewhere to put that crate, and then yeah, and then back to this side. It's my nightstand, but I wanted to match this nightstand over here, so I want to get another one of them. And then so yeah, and then my trash can, and then that's about it. Oh yeah, and then picked up. I picked up. Well, it's not that much. Just gotta make the bed up mostly, and then it's like wall to wall. Like I have a little space in between the wall and the bed, but it's not that much space, and not that much space in between the dresser and the bed, but it's enough space. And then yeah, back to the bed. I gotta make it up, apparently, but other than that, it's good. But yeah, I love it. I just love my new house. So I'm standing at the door right now of all my. I have my purse up there every day after I come in. I hang it up right here, and then my fan, and then the container of clothes. My little area. Oh, sorry. And then y'all noticed I changed clothes. I took a bath, and now I feel refreshed, but also I feel good. Like, but yeah, I got in there. Okay, then this is my area. This is the biggest of the video because I don't feel good. I don't feel like taking it right now. So yeah, and then this area I took it out yesterday, and then my boyfriend put the sweep his side, but he never got around to it. So I guess I'm gonna have to do it, but that's another story. And then my boyfriend's side, and then the bed, that them gotta be put up in the drawers, but in my dresser, but this, yes, it's clean. It's not how I want it, but it's good enough. And yes, my shoes, nightstand, lamp. Oh yeah, and then remember I had some stuff on this wall right here in the other video, and stuff right here. I moved it to right here. So yeah, but that's another story. You see, and then my lamp, and then some little bit of pictures on the wall. Yeah, that's about it. And yeah, that's about it. And I just want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hope y'all like what I'm doing. And hope y'all subscribe and continue watching my videos. And yeah, and I just love YouTube, and this is like my passion to do, but I was shy, so yeah, so now I'm doing it, I'm finally doing it, and now yeah, so bye bye. I see y'all later, and see y'all in another video. I try to do one every other day, but knowing me, I'm gonna forget, so but I'm gonna try to do one, and I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded as soon as possible, because I haven't did one in a month. So let me stop bumming over with the mouth and just cut off the video. I'm sorry guys. Bye bye.